Can I?
What are we gonna do? We're gonna test the throttle position.
We're gonna check the TPS, the APP,
APP. What do you got?
and the TB. Yes.
That's not a top.
That is not a top down.
That's not a moo car or top down.
No, it's not.
That's not good. We can't test that with my.
Yeah, we could. You want to?
Those don't test it. We're supposed to be testing.
Well, I
it.
just wanted to use something professional.
We're supposed to test the equipment we get for free to test.
All right, let's put it up. Come on. Let me see if I can do it. I don't know. Let me see.
We don't know. We're gonna try it.
I'll give it a shot.
Okay, we're gonna use our top down jump starter for the 18th time today. It came up one thing when I was running a neutral with on, so that's a good sign. It took like 3 hours to charge this thing up last night from 50%. I don't know, whichever one you want. What about top down? We're doing top down stuff right now. We don't want to do moo car. We're gonna do top down. Bring out the top down. We got 2 or 2. How many you got?
Okay, I've got moo car.
No, we don't want mooey.
And I got top done.
Top done. Is that the good one or the crappy one?
All right, top done.
How many top dones do we have? 1 or 2?
Just one. I only have one top done.
Oh, we got 1 top done and 2 moo cars. Okay.
I have the top done right here.
Okay, top Don, not done. Don. That's
Done.
right.
Done.
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 We're done with Don. Okay, we're gonna try top Don. Whoa.
Top done right here.
Batteries.
Let's do it.
What do you got over here? That's a top done. What is it?
Link 500.
Link 500. There you go. Well, look at it, works and everything.
All right.
What year is this thing? A 6 or a 5?
This is a, I don't know.
Me either. It's an SUV turd. SUV turd. That's all I know.
All right, it's logging in. It's logging
Okay,
in.
the green light's flashing. I don't know why the headlight's on. It's trying to kill my battery.
It's logging in.
It's logging in. Okay, so we're going to test. Whoa, I didn't like that. So we're going to test to see why the throttle pedal has to go halfway before it does everything. It's got a bunch of X's there. Oh, I have to do that. It works better when you go up like this. Look at all of those X's it has. 2 orbit connected to connect your vehicle. Ignition is on. The ignition's on, and the battery's up enough to keep the ignition. I'm surprised it's got much juice in it. Okay. That's the heater control system beeping over there. This vehicle has issues.
What's going on here?
It had a bunch of red X's all the way down the list, and it changed to something else.
All right, let's see what we got going on here.
I'm surprised the battery's still up enough to even make that work. It's probably because I got the connector on it over there.
All right. Okay, let's go.
So this is what the 500.
Communication error.
Communication. It doesn't like my truck. Good.
Could be the voltage.
Voltage issue. No, there's no way. We got high voltage.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's see what it says.
Well, it could be as
Diagnose.
soon as I turn the machine on, we'll have high voltage. How much voltage do we need? We had at least 10 that cranked it. If you didn't crank it, you would have had 11. You don't think that gauge actually works over there, do you?
No, I'm just looking at that radio. It's a nice radio.
I don't know. That doesn't. I wish that thing would just go off and not even look at it.
It's a nice radio.
This thing's got it's got TV screens in there too. I don't know how to use either.
Holy crap, you do.
It's got all kinds of crap in this vehicle.
Damn.
No wonder the battery goes dead on it all the time. Still got the headlight on. Why is the headlight still on?
Okay, something's going on here.
Turn the headlight off. There, I turned the headlight off.
We got problems.
We got a lot of problems.
Let's see what's going on here.
I'm thinking it starts for the B and ends with a Y. It actually almost started.
Damn.
That was a jump box. That thing really worked when I'm not even hooked up right.
Alright, that's it.
I'm surprised that thing started.
Okay,
That was that jump box doing that. There's no way the thing would have started without that jump box on there. Yeah, it's got three bars on it, charging. I wonder if you're supposed
Top Dawn.
What do you got?
We're trying to interface right now.
Is it working? Oh, it's got more X's on
Not
there.
yet. Well, that's just saying
There's no issues?
it's checking the different platforms.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it is not working. Okay, before we go into diag, let's make sure that it's not just the tool.
How could it be tool? It's a top Don. blame it on the tool already? I'm gonna blame it on the SU turd. SUV turd. We've got 210,000 miles on this piece of crap. If we turn this vent down, it'll be blowing hot air all over me. I gotta get the voltmeters way up. How can the voltmeters be inaccurate?
Okay, I don't like to like bust out my moo car, but this is competition now, and we're just gonna see if the car has an issue,
and if that don't work,
or if it's the Top-Don.
And we have Snap-on over there too if we need it.
Right now, we're gonna go to the Top-Don.
This is moo car number 2.
We're gonna see what's going on here. This is moo car.
This is number 2.
This ain't the super moo car, but this is the moo car CDE 900. This is not the Pro.
This ain't the good one, okay.
No.
This is the first one.
This is the first one.
Okay, we're using a cheaper moo car.
Well, I just want to see if it's got an issue or if there's something wrong with needs an update or something.
Oh, it's not working at all?
It could be the ALDL too.
Whatever that means.
The assembly line diagnostic lead.
Oh, wiring.
Yeah.
Top-Don's not going to be happy if moo car works. Theirs doesn't.
Okay, let's see what it got. 1%.
1% what, battery life?
I will say this. I don't like the fact that you have to charge the batteries on it.
Oh, that's on the moo car? No.
Yeah, but you
so
know
you didn't charge that the last 15 times?
Well, I charged this one, but it's hard to stay on top of all of them.
Oh, this is number 2 moo car. Okay, this is 1, that's 2. Okay. What's the number on this one?
This one is the CDE 900.
CDE 900.
Yep. Let's see what she
That's
says.
the first one we got. That's the competition for that one over there.
Yes, it is. This would be that equivalent right there.
Those are side by side.
This is a little higher end. Okay, scan failed.
And that's the one that works.
All right, so we have probably a power problem.
The motor's running.
So now it's time to get the fuses.
Flashlight
and fuses.
I don't have a flashlight. Okay, I got a camera. Is that where they hide the fuses? Why would they hide fuses over here? Is this tape original? Whenever you see black electrical tape, there's usually issues. Hot rod over there somewhere. I see black electrical tape. Not a good sign.
Ya vamos a empezar. Después de una nomás.
Ooh, that's neat. I like that. They got extra fuses.
Oh,
Look
ya
at that.
estamos bravos.
Then they got a fuse puller. Look at that. They got a fuse puller too.
Ya vamos con las
That's pretty good.
pechugas.
I like that.
Ya vamos con las pechugas.
Man, I've got to word what they're saying over there.
Híjole.
What are you calling me?
No.
What are you calling me over there?
Ya vamos con las pechugas, pues.
All I know is Pluto. That's the only thing I know. They got a long enough lead on it?
This is snap-on, so.
Oh, this has got real ones. Okay. We got the real tools coming out.
All right, let's see if we can see the. Usually it's the lighter fuse that's bad.
My lighter's bad.
Got power in the lighters, so chances are we're good. Looking for power.
Is that good?
Okay, we're good.
That's bad?
No, that's good. That means
There's power? That means,
there's power. That means we may have
That means we got test number 3.
test number 3.
We're going to use new car
The
high
snap-on one went on just fine, so.
Okay.
Let's see what we got here. We got
I like how they give you a little polar and extra fuses.
yeah, you know.
Slick.
Ah, no me crees, eh? I probably shouldn't have given that guy a beer.
Oh.
Especially that one.
Is that what he's doing over there, making noise?
Yeah, he's I told him, I said, oh, we get puffed up chest now with 1 beer.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what happens here.
So this one's reading now?
I don't know. I'm gonna see right now. That one seemed to be turning on, so I don't know. What
This one turned on too, so maybe all four of them turned on. Don't work. I think I need to go trade batteries with him though. His battery seems to work. So why is my volt gauge working now? Is it?
I don't know.
Did it reboot itself?
No, you got a battery light on there.
Well, I know it's on. It never goes out. The voltmeter didn't go up either, so. That voltmeter, remember that voltmeter is usually pinned at about 30 volts, remember?
Okay, scan. Okay, so we don't have a problem with the scan tool. It is something going on with the car.
So the scan tool's working?
Scan tool's working. Calmado, mi. Calmado. Ya te dije que era el relay. Dije que era el relay. Calmado. Dije que es el relay. Se oye bien, ¿eh? Se oye bien, ¿eh? Hace mucho que no se oye el carro así.
Yo pensé que era la primera vez así me vino a
¡Oh! Mi culpa, otra vez, Sacramento, California.
Yo pensé que era la primera vez.
See that El Mirage dust gets in everything, doesn't it?
We got problems with that thing.
We got El Mirage everywhere. It's dusty. Oh yeah. It's good dust. They're all floating around. I wonder if this is charging up at all. I don't know, we got a Chevy. You don't like the El Mirage dust on everything?
Here, let me see.
You don't like El Mirage dust?
I do. I just want to look and see if we have any. Ya era tiempo, ¿ah? La primera vez, ¿ah? Sacramento. Dije, no, este vato.
No me quieras como ahora, pero.
What are we thinking right now?
Right now, I just want to make sure that the ALDL has got what it needs to work. ECM 15. That's one. Okay. Just checking the ECM, PCM fuses right now.
Pretty slick how they got a probe location on top.
Yeah, this is cat's meow right here. I've got the bigger, better ones, but honestly, this one's the simplest one to use.
Yeah.
I like simplicity. All right, so it looks like all the ECM, PCM fuses are good. We obviously know the ignition fuse is good because
It started.
the car wouldn't be running if it didn't have a good.
Oh, is that how it works?
All right, so over here, ignition 10A, heater, TB, vehicle ignition, ignition. Okay, we're good. I don't understand why that's not kicking in, other than maybe it's not acknowledging that it has enough voltage. It might be respecting that and not what's actually going on.
I know that gauge is junk, so.
Yeah. Depending on where that gauge is located, it may or may not acknowledge the high voltage. What year is this thing again?
5 or 6.
2005.
Pull out the snap-on one now. Kicked all the other ones to the curb.
Suburban, right?
Yep. Don't know what model. Got a lot of crap on it.
Rear wheel drive.
It's got a lot of junk on it, that's all I know.
8th character of the VIN is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a Z for Zulu. 2005, 5.3. We're good. Code scan. It's working.
What's working?
The scanner's working.
Oh, this scanner, the snap-on scanner is working.
The scanner's working.
Is that more than $200? Because I think those are $300.
It makes me want to try the other ones again, you know?
Because those are $300 ones, and then you got $150 ones.
Dang. All right, let's go to data because I ain't got time.
I told them to
bring
send me the good scanner, but they only sent me the cheap ones.
Let's see. Let's not jump to conclusions here.
Oh.
DTC status.
So the charging system actually got voltage?
There is no communication.
Oh, it doesn't communicate with anything.
It acknowledged the car, but no communication. All right.
So it doesn't like this one either. Your scanner don't like my vehicle either.
Okay. There's got to be a power issue.
We're going to need the intelligent one here pretty soon. We're running out of scanners in the shop.
No, we have a power issue. All right. 2005. Okay, hold on. ¿Qué te parece? Good.
Oh, let's just scan the GPS to see what the throttle is on the list. Quarter throttle doesn't do anything. We already know that's no good. But we know this works good. Without that, I'd be stranded. All right, we'll be back.
Okay.